Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly go to the upper bar here, and here you can find the Do Not Disturb button. By tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set a schedule for this mode, select start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can set it to turn on when device is locked. You can notify about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. And you can notify about repeat calls. If the same person calls you the second time within 15-minute period, this call will be allowed too. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.